Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a news gadget in Thinkorswim. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through a simple way to bring real-time market headlines into your workspace so you can monitor breaking news without leaving your charts or watch lists. We'll keep it clear and straightforward, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help everything make sense. First, open Thinkorswim and sign in. When the platform loads, focus on the left side of the screen. This vertical column is your gadgets area, which can hold tools like watch lists, account details, and of course, news. If your layout or color theme looks a little different, that's okay. Thinkorswim is highly customizable. But the Gadgets column will still be on the left edge of the platform. To add a new gadget, look toward the very bottom of that left column. You're looking for a small plus icon. This plus is the gateway to all available gadgets. If you already see a few gadgets stacked here, the plus will sit beneath them. Sometimes it's easy to miss, especially on compact layouts, so take a moment to find it at the lower left corner of the Gadgets panel. Now click the plus icon. A menu will open, displaying the full list of gadgets you can add. Thinkorswim includes several, such as Watch List, Level 2, and Account Info. But for our purpose today, locate the News option in this list. This is the built-in news feed that aggregates headlines and market-moving updates from multiple sources right inside the platform. Go ahead and select News. As soon as you do, the News gadget appears in the left column. You'll see a stream of headlines organized by time. With quick summaries, you can expand for more detail. The News gadget is designed to complement what you're already watching. It can automatically surface headlines related to symbols you're analyzing elsewhere in the platform, and it's especially helpful during earnings season or when you're following sectors that react quickly to macro announcements. Once it's added, you can keep it exactly where it is or customize your layout later as you get comfortable. Many traders like the News gadget to live beneath a watch list so that headlines sit just a glance away from their symbols. If your workspace is dense with tools, don't worry. The News gadget is lightweight and designed to fit neatly into the column without overwhelming your view. And that's it. You opened Thinkorswim, found the plus icon at the bottom left of the Gadgets column, clicked it, and chose News from the menu. With the News gadget in place, you'll have timely updates right alongside your trading setup, helping you stay informed and react with greater confidence.